Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you Quick Math Plus, a beautiful application by the guys at Shiny Things. Provides you with the interactive user experience for students grades 5 to 8, and obviously some adults who want to just practice math and have fun. You have 4 modes and multiple levels of difficulty, so you're going to challenge yourself. Now I'm going to just go through them quickly. Beginner, I don't want to embarrass myself with the extreme ones because I'm okay in math, but when you're presenting, it's easy to make mistakes. So that's my excuse. Now, if you go to the extreme version, let me show you how different the problems are. Now, you're doing a, again, that's not that hard, but then when you add these multiple numbers and multiple operators, then it's going to get a little bit more challenging. Again, this is 4. And then you go, and it's keeping track of your time, so you want to do it faster. Obviously, I'm sure some genius is going to be able to do it very quickly, but that's not the point. It's about learning and having fun at the same time. Memorization gets rid of some of the numbers, so you have to actually push your memory hard. Now I'm writing it in my hand, so if I'm making a mistake and it can't recognize it, that counts as an error. But so it's hiding the number. So you have to remember that number that from the previous question. So that's pretty cool. Now if you go and do a more extreme version, it's going to be more difficult. And I wasn't even paying attention, so I lost that last number. But there you have it. So that's the goal of this game. You have to be focused, especially in the memory mode, because you really can quickly lose it, especially if your memory is not great like mine. And then you have comparison. It's gonna be easy. Extreme version, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but because you have numbers, you have to calculate numbers, and you have to then go. Now here, for instance, you can take a shortcut. You can add 20 to this. So this is an equal number, I believe. And the reason is you can take shortcuts. You could take 20 from 34, add it to that to 39, which is 59. So you have 59 plus 14 to 58 plus 15. Now, if you know these shortcuts, you can do this faster. But if you don't, then you have to calculate them. And this is going to get a little bit difficult. So this is 18. And this is, I believe, 13. So I think this should be bigger. Actually, the other. So again, this is the extreme version. The easier version is going to be a little bit easier. If I can show you that, let me go back and show you the easier version. So it really depends where you are, and so I mean this is pretty simple. And once you work your way through this, and your child works his or her way through these problems, they're gonna get better. And the last but not the least, you can go to swapping. It tells you how to play the game. Now if I go and do a extreme version just to show you what it is. So you are getting more problems, and if you know the app that we covered, Mathematics, I think, that has these rules that you can apply to these problems. So if you have two numbers that end with 7, for instance, you take this shortcut. If you have 11 times 11, you take that shortcut. So that actually comes handy when you're trying application like this. Obviously, you want to be able to quickly calculate these numbers in your head. So pretty awesome all around. I think if someone is getting started with math, they can use an experience like this, which is very interactive, very fun. to take their skills to the next level. Even if you're an adult, you're gonna make mistakes, and nobody's perfect. And if you've forgotten math, you can try this to refresh your memory. So pretty awesome application all around. Just wanted to quickly go through the problems that it has and that people have to solve and playing with this. So it's pretty cool. Definitely check it out. Thanks again for watching, guys.